I was recently sent this air duster to give a try out for cleaning up my Lego displays, and I wanted to take a minute to share my experience with it with you guys. Now, when you first get this product and open it up, you can see everything comes individually packaged. You have the air blower itself, and it is chargeable with a standard USB-C plug that you would use on your cell phone. It has a bag to put it in when it's not in use. And it also does come with a charger and an extension brush. That brush is really great for getting into really tight places and crevices. And then you even have a little dust cloth itself, which is another nice little feature. It's the same kind of cloth you would use for cleaning your glasses. Anyway, with my train station being filthy, I thought, you know what, I will start by cleaning that and we'll see how it goes. When you'll first pull it out of the box and you turn it on, what you'll see is there's 4 LEDs on the side. And with my particular unit here, straight out of the box, it already had 3/4 of a charge. The top button is for adjusting the power sensitivity of the blowing. And then the bottom button, as you can see, has a little light there that turns it on and off. So if you're in a dark little spot, you have that light to give you a little more illumination to see what you're doing. So very, very nice feature. I started by just blowing everything off just to see what it would do. And it does get some of the dust off, but to just blow, it doesn't do a really good job. So I added the little brush attachment that they had, and that is when I found it really got things extremely clean. As you can see, while I'm cleaning some of the lampposts that are inside of my build, it really made them just come right back to life and shine like they were brand new. One of the benefits of having this particular product, I can tell you right now, is most people, when they're trying to clean their Lego displays, you're using a vacuum. And with a vacuum, you're afraid of sucking the parts up. But with this, you don't have to worry about that, because if it does anything, it's just going to blow the pieces over, like you saw right there. And you can just pick the part up and put it back on. So definitely a really big advantage to using this particular type of product for cleaning your Lego is the fact that you're not going to be worried about losing parts. Here's the downside though, because it is a blower and not a vacuum. If you are anything like me and have a very large display to keep clean, every time you clean it, essentially all you're doing is blowing dust everywhere, and it's just going to reapply to your entire city. So it is a good product and it does a great job cleaning, but I'm not sure it's the right product for everyone. To me, the real advantage of this product would be for cleaning keyboards and things of that nature. But if you're interested and want to try it for yourself, it retails for $79.99 on Amazon, and I do have a link below in the description and the comments of this video.